Chevre, we're here at Funland with David, but not the same location on 39th Street. Funland opened a new location. The address is 1919
86th Street, Bensonhurst.
Let's go inside, Chevre. Let's check this place out. Oh, wow. Look at this area, Chevre. Whoa. Wow, you opened up a location, David. Chevre, look at this location here.
Claw machines, VR games, arcade games, everything.
Wow, but you're not just one floor here, you're two floors.
Two floors.
Unreal, unreal, just lines and lines of arcades.
Lines and lines of lights, noise, music.
Lines of music.
But wait, I think we're missing something.
What are we missing here?
I think we're missing something.
Look at this, look at this, wow. This is great, this is great. This is great, you got the VRs.
The VRs.
You know, all my followers tell me they love the VRs over here.
Absolutely.
This machine, that machine, you got the big machines over here. What are we missing? What are we missing?
We're missing one thing. Let me take you guys to it right now.
It says we're missing something, let's go check. No way, you have two floors?
Two floors, not just one.
Two floors, Kevin. Wow, let's go up to the second floor, see what he got today. Let's go.
Let's go, follow me, follow me.
This is great, 2 floors of fun, of action, of excitement. Only at the famous Funland. Oh, wow.
Right here.
Oh, this is where everything happens. With a good heart. With a good heart.
But wait, let's enter into this hallway.
Oh, wow, look at this hallway. Look where he's taking us, David.
This is what you guys are missing. Boom.
Whoa, boom! This is gorgeous. It's like a carbon copy of the other location.
Exactly.
I love this, I love this.
Right here.
You got the trampoline neighborhood right here.
Got the obstacle courses over there.
Obstacle courses down there.
Got the basketball hoops, got the wall climbing, zip lining, everything.
Unbelievable. Everything over here. I love this location. You got a bull pit, you got the slides. How do you know what the Jewish community likes? You know.
Very simple. We know what works.
We know what works.
We know what works. I know you guys love the 39th 8th Avenue location. We know what works.
We love it. Look at the bull pit, guys. Look at the slides, the obstacle course, the cannons. My kids love this. This right here, you put the bulls in.
Comes raining down on you.
Raining down. How about party rooms? I know 39th Street, you were packed on Hanukkah.
Exactly.
Like all my followers said, they loved it. You guys took care of them.
Party rooms.
Party rooms. Look at this, guys. Beautiful party rooms. Yeah. I love the concept. It could be one big party room.
It could be one humongous
party room. Huge family.
Bring your whole school here.
The whole school, the whole camp.
The whole camp.
Guys. Huge party room here.
Humongous.
Oh wow, beautiful design. Tell me, you designed it yourself?
Of course. Everything is made by us. Family business.
Family business, David. This is great. This is great, David. This is great. Look at this over here. You got some more
obstacle courses.
Obstacle courses, and you can eat in the room and watch your kids outside.
Of course.
All at once. What's this over here? This is a new machine. You don't have it there.
Dance machine.
Dance machine. Man kan tanzen für Juden.
Completely for free. You buy the tickets, you enjoy everything in here for free.
Wow. So you buy the tickets, you enjoy it for free. So Ivan's your brother. David, we're going to do a promotion for the Perlowitz followers. We got to do something good. All right. So the promotion will be like this. We all know. Come in. Tell them Perlowitz, the magic word.
The magic word Perlowitz, and get 10% off.
Having a company, your whole family, get 10% off on your tickets. But what if a school wants to come, or a synagogue, or
anything? Come look for me. I'll give you the best price. Anything.
Guys,
just say Perlowitz.
If somebody wants to make a reservation for a school, a camp, a day camp. I mean, this location is great. I mean, every school, every synagogue got to come out here. What's the phone number?
917-295-3762.
And that's gonna call Funland and say you saw it on Perlowitz. Book it for a school, book it for a party.
Anything, just look for David and say the magic word.
Perlowitz. This could be yours. This whole place could be yours. Rent it out, exclusive for your school, your party, your zone. I love this place. 2 floors of magic fun. David, thank you so much for doing it for our community.
No problem.